Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and today we're looking at this 1969 C10 that we are getting close to finishing up the disc brakes on the front, and the motor runs now, and we've kind of got the bed on it and everything. And so one thing that a product that we like to use, and that is this Marquet Products trim. We don't use any other side bed molding, side trim, bed components out there, but from Marquet. So with this particular project, we just went with the regular black and chrome look, and it's actually a little bit heavier gauge molding than some of the other stuff that's out there. So it's actually made in Oklahoma, made in the USA. It doesn't quite dent up as softly as some of the import stuff. So anyways, a good quality product. One of the things that we've had struggle with, and that is this long bedside trim. It's usually got a bolt here and a bolt here, and then they send you all these little sticky tabs that and in Arizona with the heat and all that kind of stuff, sometimes those get soft enough, they'll actually just start popping off, and then this bows. And so there is enough room. If you try hard enough, you can kind of get just one or two extra bolts in here to kind of help hold that. You won't spend as much time having to replace those little sticky things. And so one of the tricks we learned was just try to install a couple extra little bolts. So anyways, if you're looking at side trim for your truck and you're not sure which company to use, definitely check out Marquet Products. They're on the website. I think it's mar-k products.com. So, or maybe it's mar-k.com, or maybe it's, actually, I don't know, look it up. Anyway, so very cool product, very good product, and definitely check them out. And definitely go to our subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you're following us, because we got all kinds of stuff that we like to keep people updated on. Thanks.